Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best straw bale for decorating, the FloraCraft Decorative Straw Bale. Sized 5 inches by 6 inches by 13 inches in a natural, sun-baked barley straw finish. If you're looking to add a warm, rustic charm to your indoor or outdoor spaces, this straw bale is an excellent choice. It brings a rich, golden color that naturally elevates any setting. Whether you're setting up for a wedding, a birthday party, a baby shower, or even a graduation event, this straw bale adds that perfect farmhouse chic or Western-style vibe. What makes this product stand out is its quality construction. The straw is sun-baked, giving it a beautiful, authentic look, while being earth-friendly. It's bound securely with high-quality galvanized wire that resists rust, ensuring your decoration stays intact throughout your event or season. Unlike loose straw, this bale offers neatness and durability without the mess. Measuring just over a foot long, with compact dimensions of 5 by 6 by 13 inches, it's easy to handle and arrange wherever you want. Its lightweight design, at just around 1.4 pounds, makes it perfect for creating layered displays or stacking to build a welcoming front porch scene or a stylish centerpiece. The versatility of this straw bale means you can get creative with your seasonal decor. It can serve as a base for fall-themed displays, paired with pumpkins and gourds, or combined with flowers and fairy lights for a cozy ambiance. It also complements natural elements seamlessly, helping to create inviting entryways or enhance rustic event setups. Plus, this product requires no assembly and is designed for simple hand cleaning if needed. It ships ready to use, so you can quickly elevate your decor without any hassle. Overall, the FloraCraft Decorative Straw Bale delivers on both aesthetics and functionality. Its authentic natural look, durable binding, and versatile size make it an essential piece for anyone aiming to bring that perfect rustic charm to their celebrations or home decor. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful product breakdowns. See you next time.